Hello everyone, this is RC Sir and you are welcome to my educational YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about interpreting charts and diagrams. So let us begin the class without further ado. First of all, we'll talk about what charts and diagrams are. Charts and diagrams are generally called visual representations of data or information. As you can see the various charts and diagrams on the screen. Some common names of charts and diagrams are bar chart, pie chart, line chart. It is the graphical display of data. Diagrams such as flow chart, Venn diagram, tree diagram, it is the simplified drawings showing how something works or the relationship between parts. Graph such as line graph, histogram, it is the mathematical representations of data. Figures or illustrations such as charts, diagrams, tables, and pictures. In this video, we are going to explore how charts and diagrams help understand information visually. Charts and diagrams are visual tools, and these tools make the data easier to read, easier to understand, and much easier to remember. Charts and diagrams are not just for school, they are used in real life every day in reports, presentation, science projects, and even social media. Interpreting charts and diagrams is a skill that will help you in every subject and in the real world. Background to teach charts and diagrams. Charts and diagrams are visual tools used to organize and present information clearly and effectively. In today's world, where people are surrounded by data from news reports to social media, from science books to business reports, visual representation has become crucial. Understanding how to read and create charts and diagrams is an important skill in education, communication, and decision making. By learning these tools, students can improve their critical thinking, observation, and data interpretation abilities. It also helps them to express their own ideas more clearly using visuals. Types of charts and diagrams. Following are the types of charts and diagrams. Bar diagrams compares quantities or values. Pie chart shows parts of a whole. Line chart or graph shows changes over time. Flow chart shows processes or steps. Tree diagram shows hierarchical of something. What kinds of verbs are used in interpreting the charts and diagrams? Following verbs are used in interpreting the charts and diagrams. For increasing trends, when the quantities or values are up, then the following verbs should be used, such as rise, increase, grow, climb, go up, surge, shoot up. For decreasing trends, when the quantities or values are down, then the following verbs should be used, such as fall, decrease, drop, decline, plunge, go down, dive, etc. For stability and no change, when the quantities or values are neutral, then the following verbs should be used, such as remain, stay, maintain, level off, stabilize. Verbs for fluctuations. And when the quantities and values are up and down, then the fluctuating verbs should be used, such as fluctuate, vary, swing, zigzag, etc. Verbs for comparing data: outnumber, exceed, surpass, overtake, lead, lag behind, etc. Verbs for describing data: show, present, indicate, demonstrate, depict, illustrate, etc. Similarly, the words such as is, about, by, percentage, comparatively, less than, more than, greater than, smaller than, etc. should be used. In how many parts should the charts and diagrams be interpreted? The answer is obvious, mainly into three parts. First part begins with what kind of the chart or diagram is. What is the chart or diagram about? What does the chart or diagram say about? Second part deals with every detail. Whole information should be described by using the previously mentioned verbs. Third part concludes the information contained in the second part in short. I hope you have understood the video. Some examples of interpreting charts and diagrams have been presented on the screen. So please have a look on it, and thank you very much for watching the video.